In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign in your existing Dropbox account from your Windows computer or Mac computer. First, make sure Dropbox application is installed on your computer. If you don't have installed, then you can check on my channel. There is another video how to download and install Dropbox on your computer. It is usable for both Mac and Windows computer. For Mac environment, you just need to click on the apps icon, or you can open from Spotlight search, and from there we have to type Dropbox. If we start typing drop, then we'll see Dropbox is there. Just double click over there to open Dropbox. For your Windows computer, you just need to click on the Windows icon and then start typing drop. You will find Dropbox is there. Now once you open the Dropbox application in any environment, you will see like this with a big sign in button. We just need to click here and very shortly it will open the browser. This will be the default browser. Now we have to type the username and then we have to type the password. So I'm going to type the username and then I'm going to press the continue button to go to the next step to type the password. And then finally I'm going to press the login button. And if the username and password is correct, then it will prompt us this thing. We have to choose the last option, which is allow. So once we click allow, the username and password will be verified and we can use this Dropbox application on our desktop environment. And here we see Dropbox is trying to log in, and if the username and password is correct, it is showing us this type of message like welcome back. And then I'm going to press the next button, and here I'm going to choose like second option. I'm using the basic free plan, so I'm going to choose this option, but if you wish to upgrade, you can do that. Now we have to press this button finally to open the Dropbox account. We just need to click this button to access our Dropbox account. So I'm going to click over here, and very shortly we'll be able to access our Dropbox account with this type of user interface. I'm going to minimize this browser because we don't need it anymore. And this is the main Dropbox folder, and on the Finder, if we scroll on the left side, we'll find that Dropbox is there. We can access Dropbox also from desktop also. On our Mac, on the top right corner, we'll see a Dropbox icon is there. So if we click over there, it will be expanded and it will show everything. For Windows, it will be the bottom right corner, the same type of icon, and if you click over there, it will be like that. And from here, we can also access our account details also. From here, if we click on our accounts, then it will give us this option. From here, if we go preference, then we'll see all the details related to our account. To access Dropbox later, what we need to do, we just need to click the Finder, and on the left side panel we will find Dropbox is there. And once we click the Dropbox, here is the Dropbox. Once we click over there, we'll see all the files and folders of my Dropbox account. And that's it. In this way we can easily access our Dropbox account from our computer.